Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to another video on Luna Classic. I kind of had to, all right? Luna Classic yesterday, very bullish when we made the video, or when I made the video, or when we looked at it. The price was still right here at 7,500, all right? So that was a resistance, and what we said then is that, all right, well, Luna Classic looks bullish. It has a lot of momentum. It broke out of this channel, so it is most likely that it will get up to 8,000, and then afterwards, depending on how it reacts to that level, even up to 8,800 and 9,000. Well, you see what happened. All right, it went way higher, or at least, like, it hit all the price targets. Yesterday, I did tell you it would go higher, just higher than I expected, and I am not sure why. All right. It's just, like, I've seen multiple theories on it. It really was Luna 2.0 that was leading the charge. Like, Luna 2.0 went up from 46 to 83 cents, which is an increase of almost 100%. Luna Classic did not do that. So that's one part of it. I'm not sure if I missed anything. I mean, FTT, of course, was very big yesterday. Luna 2.0 and FTT maybe have some similarities in terms of the companies behind them falling. That could be something. It could be some manipulation. It could have something to do, like with Luna Classic. Luna Classic has some proposals out right now, which I don't think have done this, but they do have some proposals out there. So I'm not sure what it is. Like USTC, for example, has been very bullish as well, but it's probably a mix of all. All right. Of course, there's also a huge community like yourselves out there who love Luna Classic. USTC became very bullish yesterday, and it just happens every once in a while. All right. The ecosystem becomes bullish, and now the big question obviously is well, can this continue? Can Luna Classic actually rally up higher? If we go to the daily time frame, like right now, Luna Classic has given up the 0.236 and 0.382 fib, but it has held the support level at 8,000. So technically, I would actually say it's still bullish. And it's going to be, like, after a spike like this, it's always hard to get up higher. But it is a possibility. Like, the main price target, I would say, for Luna Classic is really at like 10,000 or 11,500. But to get there, it needs to gain more momentum, or it needs to retake that momentum, because I haven't looked at this, but I expect I expect that the open interest has fallen down quite a bit. Yeah, you can see that the open interest went up a lot yesterday over the course of today, and now it's dropping down. So slowly all of the positions are being closed. So what we need to see is that increase again. So that would either mean Luna becoming very bullish, USDC becoming very bullish, some news coming out for Luna Classic. But that is what we need to see. And in terms of technicals, what that means is that Luna Classic over the course of today will probably test that level between 8,500 and 8,800. I would say that's the main level right now. It will probably test that level, but what it needs to do is it needs to break above that level pretty quickly. Like, I would say before Monday. And if it's able to do that, then I do expect 10,000 and even higher, like 10,000, 10,400, and potentially higher. But that is something we'll see, and we don't know. If I would have to give you my thoughts on what's most likely, I would say that it's more likely, given the fact that the open interest right now has dropped down quite a bit. I'd say it's more likely that Luna Classic will consolidate here, and then if the market stays bullish for long enough, and if Luna Classic gains that momentum still later, then it will break above that and rally up higher. I think something like this is most likely, because I do assume the market to be relatively bullish and to stay relatively bullish. So I would say something like this is most likely, but in the end, the main thing we have to watch is the technicals. How will Luna Classic react to 8,800? If it breaks above that, amazing, more rallying is to come. If it finds resistance there and then barely finds any more support and it makes lower lows, then it might also be over for Luna Classic. So like I said, most likely, I think, is that it consolidates here between 8,800 and 7,800 and then eventually breaks out again. But the situation right now is very fragile and very volatile. So I'll try to keep you updated on that. We'll have to see how it develops, and then depending on how it develops, I'll do an update on that. But for now, those are my thoughts. Lastly, video is a bit long, but I also have a premium group and a signals group. Links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. They're profitable, they're very valuable. I think they're the most valuable groups out there right now. So check those out if you're interested. But for now, have a great weekend. Take care and bye.